Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I haven't spoke about my motorbikes for about 4 years since I've had my accident on my leg. Actually got my father's Vulcan SE 2018 model. He hardly rides it, you know what I mean? It's 2018, it's only done 1,800 kilometers. He was having a problem with it starting, so he replaced the battery and still had the same issue. And I had like a misfire. So I done a research, and on YouTube there is nothing really about the crank angle sensor on these things. And like some people on videos say it's underneath the motor, some say it's next to the starter motor, you know. So I just went to Kawasaki and asked them, you know, could I get a crank angle sensor harnessed? And I said to him, where does it actually go? Like, I've been getting different stories that it goes, you know, next to the starter motor, it goes next to, underneath the engine. And what it is actually, you're gonna take off the clutch cover, which no oil comes out anyway. All right, so remove the clutch cover, remove the pedals. Okay, remove all the pedals, take your side flaring off, take the other side flaring off. Okay. And then once you pull that out, you get your clutch. You got the pin for your clutch. Oh, first of all, you know, loosen off your clutch cable so you can get to the clutch fork inside. I'll show you how to read codes here. So all you have to do, turn the ignition on. As you can see, it's only done, you know, 1,844 kilometers. Okay, so what you do, press your right side first, then your left, and see 21 came up. That's your code. 21 means the crank angle sensor. That's that easy to read codes. And then if you don't know what the code is, just Google the number, just like Kawasaki Vulcan or whatever bike you got, and a code will come up and it'll tell you exactly what code. You don't have to worry about anything like that. At the moment, I can't clear the code. I haven't got the right scanner to clear it. So I'm gonna go tomorrow to a shop to scan it. I'll let you how quiet it is now. Like first kick, it was just start over. Yeah. So quiet, there's no leaks. You know, the first time ever I tried to attempt, you know, the clutch on the Vulcan S, and you know, it worked out. It took me a little bit, you know, because the harness, actually, you won't see it, but down here you'll see the wiring loom, and it even goes to the oil switch as well. So what you're going to do is hook up those wires first, then feed the wire all the way through, and the actual plug for that wire is underneath this cover. So then you know where the goes. You don't have to take out the tape. You don't have to do anything like that. So I just thought I'd do this short video for you guys so you can see exactly where it is. And actually this is actually the old sensor. So this is from Kawasaki. That's actually what it looks like. Right, so that reads on the clutch. And so you got the oil switch there as well, the plug. And then it just goes straight to the harness on this side here. So it looks long. I thought it went underneath the tank, but actually it's just on the side of the engine. So there's no issue of removing the tank or anything like that. Alright guys, I thought I'd update you on a Kawasaki, where the crank angle sensor is, and it's an easy process to do yourself, even that you're not a mechanic. Okay, and then Kawasaki Vulcan S 2018 model. They're doing a crank angle sensor because I got code 21, and that's the issue with code 21. It doesn't give it enough spark and the timing, so sometimes it doesn't start, or it's got a rough idle because this is not actually working properly. So I bought a new one, which is in the Philippines, which is about 3,000, nearly 3,800 pesos. So in Australian dollars, it's about $100. So let's see, I'll just take it off and hopefully that is the problem. Alright guys, I'll keep you updated. I hope you like this short video. God bless and catch you on the next one. Take care.